Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable charging sounds and vibration in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Go to sounds and vibration. Again scroll down. Here you can see the option of charging sounds and vibration. If you want to disable this, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to disable charging sounds and vibration in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.